That's not good. So I'm here in the RV, and my water pump seems to be not working. And we'll turn on the pump from up here, which is there, and it's real noisy. It's just running, but not pumping. Faucet's open. Nothing's happening. I'm in the middle of winterizing, so I just got all the water out, and then I put RV antifreeze in, and I'm not getting anything. Oh, there's a little, but not like it should. So I think it's on its way out. Time to replace the water pump. So I'm gonna get, let me turn this off. I'm gonna get the serial number on here and go look it up online. Okay, we're gonna Google the original SureFlow water pump. Just gonna put in the number here, 2444 replacement. Let's see what we got here. And here we show a few of them. But I like to stick with SureFlow just because the recommendations are high on it. I'm going to go to the Amazon page here. And we have it for $64.25, which looks pretty reasonable because they usually go for about $100. It's in stock. It's got over 2,000 star ratings on it, almost 5. And we look down here, we just want to make sure it's 12 volt. A little better. Here's see more product details. Here's your number. Well, new number, part number. 5 pounds, a little heavier than the other one. 12 volts. Looks good to me. Hell, why not work with a little bit of a game going on? We got our package today. Let's open this thing up, shall we? Got the bracket like the old one. This one looks a little bit bigger, but I think it's a 45 psi, or the other one I believe was 40. So you can kind of see the similarity. Of course, this is an upgrade, and this is going to give me a little more flow than the original here. Same PSI. I thought it was a little different, but the fuse is 15 amps, which is all the same, but my flow is a little better. Instead of 2.5, it's 3.5 here, which is great. I could use just a tad better flow. Oh, a second note, I just noticed too that the old one is 7 amps and this one's 5, so that'll help on battery life. And it recommends, to avoid blowing a fuse, 15 amp. This one's a 15 amp. And my fuse over here is 15 amp. So we're good there. Always check that if you do replace this to make sure you got the same fuse that the recommended amp manufacturer recommends. And as you can see here, just 2 wires. Hot and negative. Same thing with here. These are the wires coming out back here of the camper. Hot and your negative. You just gotta swap this cable like this here. We'll use another wire nut. And then the red, we're going to have to cut this, and then we'll add a wire nut. So it'll be like that. And that's it for wiring. That's all that's to it. And then we just undo these. They recommend that these be hand tight, but the previous owners, this is on there really good. So we'll just use a pipe wrench on that. And it's the same on that side. So we got water coming in, water going out. And these just pop off here. And they got the thread like this. Same thing here. At the thread, we just got to line it up and screw them down. Of course, we're going to put some pipe tape around here. And always go to the right. I've been always told when you put pipe tape on here to always go to the right. All right, let's get cracking. Then always remember too, with at your junction box here, turn all your power off. And then pull your fuse, which is number 3 fuse here. Let's pull that out, just like that. Okay, and there's the install. Unfortunately, I thought I had the camera on record for the whole install. I didn't get the footage, but you get the general idea. You got 2 valves to hook up. Red meets red, green meets black, which is positive. Red's actually the negative. And you just never know with RVs, vans. Sometimes the wiring's a little different. Just a matter of stripping the wire back a little, joining the 2 wires together and putting a nut bolt screw on it, and it's that easy. And of course these are just hand tightened, and I really didn't have room for the bracket to go to the wall, so it's just kind of suspended, but it's not really going anywhere. So replacing your water pump is that easy. Anybody can do it, and you'll save hundreds doing it rather than going to an RV shop. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.